If you are a woodcarver, you have to check this out. Kutzall Tools just released their brand new lineup of rotary burr kits. Now, all of these consist of their best-selling rotary burr shapes. If you are picking up a new set of rotary burrs for the first time or just need some more, Kutzall is on the cutting edge, pun intended, of performance with their rotary bits and burrs. I have personal experience with these things and they are great. The way you open them is like this. So it has a built-in display case where you can pull the burrs out and insert them back. As I mentioned before, these are Kutzall's top selling burrs, so it's nice to have them all put together in a pre-made kit. I have my Fordham here, and we are going to test out a rotary burr on the scrap piece of basswood. I think the one I am going to choose is this big gold one. That looks fun. So let's pull this out. It's nice how you just kind of pull that out and it snaps back in. Kutzall burrs are good for roughing, and what I mean by roughing is your first initial cuts on a piece of wood where you need to remove a lot of stock. So instead of showing you how to carve something today, I am going to demonstrate this and just show you how good these are. So let's fire on the dust collector without my plastic shield, so it may not pull just a lot of dust, but it does help. Let me get my glasses. Okay, here we go. Wow. Okay, that ate through the wood with no problem, and this is actually my second test because I forgot to hit record on the first test I did, so I'm reshooting this segment. But you can see that that big round burr just ate right through this basswood. And I can't wait to use this on some of my other projects, but man, it's just eating right through. And what I like best about this is that I know this is going to last a very, very long time, so you truly get what you pay for. Let's test the other burrs I shot earlier. Wow. I went ahead and switched to the Dremel 8260 cordless, brushless rotary tool because it is crazy powerful. I'm so impressed at this little burr right here. Now, I was abusing this. You obviously would want to take it slower than that, but this thing held up. I am very surprised at the performance we got from this little burr. Obviously, these burrs are working fantastic, and there are a lot to test, but I am going to save that for another video so I can explain what all the different shapes do, but hands down, you can't beat these. When it comes to longevity, I can honestly say from user experience that these Kutzall burrs will outlast a lot of other burrs in its class. And for the price, you are getting what you pay for. If you would like to purchase these burr sets or any other burrs, you can use my affiliate link below. I will get a few cents on the dollar if you use the link, and it is a great way to support the channel at no extra cost for you. And before you go, some products on their site is eligible for an extra 5% off with my special promo code CCreations. This is on certain products, so you can just pick and choose what you would like to get with the extra 5% off. I'll talk to you guys soon. Be sure to share this video if you want, and hit the like if you want, and that would help me out tremendously. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I forgot to mention to you guys, if you are new to power carving or you just want to up your skills, download my free flex shaft carving ebook. I cover a lot of my most asked questions. I know you guys will enjoy it. If you guys want to go even further and need a creative spark when it comes to wood carving, check out my project idea guide mini course below.